Today we'll be learning about subtracting the polynomials, in an algebraic expression. So we'll be today the first thing we're gonna do is subtract monomials from binomials. So I'm gonna write a binomials 3x plus 2, and then we'll be subtracting 6x from 3x plus 2. The first thing you need to do is to write the first expression, removing the parentheses, and then you'll just write minus 6x. Next, you will group the similar terms. These are the two similar terms, and then we don't have any term similar to this constant 2 because we don't have any other constant term, so you will write that by itself. So from this similar terms we are going to subtract 6x from 3x. So you'll be subtracting 6 from 3 because we are just subtracting the coefficient and then writing the variables. So when you subtract 6 from 3, you end up getting negative 3 because you are subtracting bigger number from a smaller, and you end up getting a negative number. And then you'll just write the variables. Since we don't have any other number to add or subtract from 2, you will just write that positive 2 by itself, and then you end up getting negative 3x plus 2. This is your answer. So next we will be doing we will be subtracting binomial from a binomial. So let's write 3x minus 2 minus 6x plus 5. So here is a little bit different. First, write the first expression, removing the parentheses. Second, what you need to do is you need to multiply the terms inside this parentheses by this minus sign or negative signs. So negative minus times 6x, positive 6x is minus 6x or negative 6x. This 6x has positive sign. This is positive 6x. When you multiply negative by positive, you end up getting negative. So negative times positive, the 6x has positive sign, so negative times positive is negative, and then you'll just write 6x. And then again, negative times positive is negative. The 5 has positive, so here you are multiplying negative by positive, so that's negative. And then negative sign has 1 with it, so 1 times 5 is 5. If you don't see a number, that is 1. If you just see a negative sign or positive sign, it carries 1 still. So next step is to group them by their similarity. If they have same variable, group them together. So here 3x and 6x are similar terms, so we will just group them. 3x, 3 has positive sign, so positive 3x, and then minus 6x. Okay, so these two are similar terms, you'll group them together. And then you have negative 2, minus 2 or negative 2, and then you got minus 5 or negative 5, so you can group them together. So here we end up having positive 6x. It does not have sign on its left side, so it is positive. 6 has minus sign on its left side, so this is negative 6 or minus 6. So 3x minus 6x, positive 3 minus 6x is gonna be negative 3x because you are subtracting bigger number from a smaller, so you end up getting negative number, and you'll just write that variable. Here you have positive negative 2 and negative 5. So when you have negative 2 and negative 5, it is same as like you are giving away, you are losing $2 and you are losing $5 again. So altogether, you are losing $7. That's -7. This is your answer. We will learn this better when we learn adding integers and adding or subtracting the integers. Okay, this is it for now.